Hello, this is Ferhat speaking from Panasonic Live Solutions Turkey. I will introduce to you the Panasonic ceiling type KNX motion detectors. We have the three type ceiling type motion detectors. As you can see, firstly, I would like to introduce the simple one. These products can have it has the presence detectors, and it can feel the people presence. Then, according to this presence, according to this sense, these products can control the lighting system, can make the dimming constant light system. This is the very simple features in the basic model. Plus, we have the second model of this product, and this product has an additional temperature and humidity sensor. Without presence detectors, temperature and humidity, it means these products can sense the people in the room or in the office. Plus, it can sense the humidity and temperature. Then you can control your HVAC system, your air conditioning system. And in additional, the third product is, I would like to explain, we have some additional air conditioner sensors. It can sense the air quality, CO2 measurement it can make, and this product can understand the air quality of your houses or office or room. Then it can control your ventilation system without temperature, humidity, and presence detector. All of them you can use with same products. We say multi KNX sensor. Thank you so much, and you can find this detail www.elstr.panasonic.com.